Ladies and gentlemen, this video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware called Snwd. Snwd is the ransomware that belongs to the Dharma ransomware family. The ransomware damages the majority of popular file types. It damages them and it encrypts these files and doesn't allow customers to use the data anymore. This video will demonstrate to you what exactly happens when this ransomware affects the data. So before the ransomware attack, definitely there are no troubles opening the files, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office, and other documentation. But the point is that this particular ransomware may be easily injected into the system. It actually happens because of poor protection of your computer by the existing security software. It means that your current security software failed to protect your data from being damaged by this ransomware. Whenever you try to open the specific file, you get a message saying that Windows can't open this type of file with the snwd extension. Now, the ransomware also puts this ransomware note on your computer screen mentioning that your files are encrypted. The ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay the special ransom in order to get their files recovered. However, we strongly urge you not to pay the ransom. There is no guarantee that your data would be restored if you pay the ransom. So, do not pay the ransom and do not waste your money for nothing. Well, there are certain recommendations we can give you on how to prevent your data from being encrypted by this ransomware. You could first of all open the task manager in your computer and pay careful attention to all the processes that could be running in the background. If you find these suspicious processes, right-click on them and end their task. This will help you possibly save some of the files from being damaged by the ransomware. Another step we recommend you to do is to urgently remove this ransomware, because simply terminating its malicious process does not remove the ransomware. We recommend you to go to your Internet Explorer browser and download a special tool that would help you to remove this ransomware. The program is called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get its fresh version on the official website combocleaner.com. The reason why we recommend you to use Internet Explorer browser because other browser shortcuts on your desktop icon may also be encrypted. So use Internet Explorer browser, go to the page combocleaner.com, download Combo Cleaner through this green button, install the application, then start the program and begin researching your computer with its help. Initially the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is possible in the trial mode. Click on Start Scan button. In most of the cases, Combo Cleaner Antivirus should first of all update its anti-malware database, which of course is crucial for proper malware detection and elimination. After the anti-malware database by Combo Cleaner has been successfully updated, the program would begin researching and investigating your computer. While the scanning is taking place, I recommend you to research some settings of Combo Cleaner. I want to emphasize your attention on the specific feature called anti-ransomware, which allows you to add one or several folders on your computer that will always be protected. But this feature, of course, is the part of the premium license only. So some minutes might pass before the scanning is completed. Then you would see the summary of threats at the end of the scan. The program would mention the exact locations of these threats. Even though some of them can be removed manually, we do recommend upgrading to premium, and this is the best way to delete this ransomware fully and to protect your system from all further malware attacks in the future.